So all of us know the module that we're going to start with is SQL. You all have had a basic introduction of what Excel is, right? So I'll take you from a basic introduction of what Excel is and what has led to the formation of SQL. So all of you have gone through the lectures of Excel, right?
Not a few of the people
Okay,
haven't. They
cool,
would be
cool.
getting later on.
Okay, not an issue, people. So my idea is all of you have open Excel workbook, right? Anytime in your career.
Yes,
For
sir.
sure.
Yes, sir.
For sure,
Okay,
yes.
correct. So when you open an Excel workbook, let me open it for you. Okay, I hope my screen is up.
Yeah, visible to
Okay,
us.
so when you open an Excel workbook, right, how does the data look? The data is always in form of rows and columns, right? This is what we call it as structured data which is in form of a table containing rows and columns. So the similar kind of concepts are there in SQL also. Now, before I start to discuss about SQL, let us have a small introduction about what is data, because this language is all about manipulating and working with data. So on the introduction day, I said people that data is nothing but raw facts, correct? Let me just share my notepad and just give me a minute. Okay, so if we start about data, data is nothing but raw facts, right? So the data that we receive in the real world can be again further divided into structured and unstructured. Okay. So when we talk about structured data, data which is in tabular form. Okay. Now, the language that we are going to study today, right? SQL. So SQL caters to only data which is in structured form. So we won't be focusing on unstructured data. For us, the main area of focus is only on structured data. Correct? Now, if we talk about data, where is it saved? If you see, we use Excel to save our data, right? But Excel has got a limitation on the size. Now, on a single Excel workbook, there are only 10,48,576 rows, okay, which can hold a maximum of 200 MBs of data. But in today's time, we know, right, there is an explosion of data all across. So when there is an explosion of data, we know the size of data is going to be huge. In that case, I cannot use Excel file to store my data. In that case, I need a software which can cater to huge amount of data. That is where databases comes into pictures. So databases can be considered as containers to store data. Okay, so in layman's term, we can just consider them as a container to store data, but the only condition is this data has to be in tabular form. Okay, now if my data is stored in database, people, now database is a software. Now database is a software, and all of us know if I have to interact with the software, I need a language which is compatible with this software, or we can say I need a programming language which can help me to communicate with this database, and that language is called SQL. The acronym is Structured Query Language. The acronym is Structured Query Language. So in layman's term, SQL is a language which is used to interact with the data present in the database. Okay, is that clear to all of you?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, now
Clear.
Now, there are so many databases that is present in the market, right? If we talk about some of the famous databases that we have, the one that we are going to study is by Microsoft, which is MS SQL. Oracle also has its own database. IBM has got its own database. Now, most of the companies have their in-house database, but the common part of all these databases are they are built on top of SQL. So if we learn this language, we should be able to cater to needs of any databases present in the market. Okay, so all these databases are built on top of SQL. With the help of SQL, we can interact with data present in any of these databases. So before we move ahead, people, I'll start with the installation because the installation is going to take almost 20 to 25 minutes. We can start the installation and then have the discussion. So let us all go to Chrome. Let us all go to Chrome and search for SQL Server download. Okay, SQL Server download, and we are going to download it from the official website of Microsoft, so it is genuine. Okay, so when you click on the first link, it will redirect you to microsoft.com. Scroll down, and I'm going to download the Express edition. Okay, click on download now. Okay, people, do you want me to post the link? I'll post this link on the chat so that it is easy for you to follow along. Okay, let me post it on the chat. So if you face any issue while installing, just ping me there, I'll help you. So once you click on this link, it will start downloading exe file, right? It will start downloading an exe file. So click on save. Once the exe file is installed, okay, are you all on the same page now with me?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. So once this exe file is installed, double click, press yes, let this app make changes to your device. Okay, and when you are on this window, there are three options available. So I'm going to select the basic. I'm going to select the basic one and click on accept and click on install. I'm not going to do it, people, because I already have installed it. So I can help you till here. So click on install. It will start installing the software. Okay. Okay. Let me know if you have any doubt till here.
For me, I'm trying and it's not downloading.
Okay. So can you share your screen? I'll just have a look.
Oh, just a moment. So I downloaded it already. I have. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Okay. The screen is up now.
Okay. So if I go in my downloads.
Okay.
And I click on it, it doesn't open.
This is MacBook, right?
Yes.
Okay. For MacBook, the installation process will be a bit different. And for Windows, it is a bit different.
So what do I do?
Okay, I'll send the instructions for MacBook also. Okay, I'll send the document. Okay, so all of us know, right? We cannot directly install the Windows applications on MacBook. Okay, it has to be done through Docker. I'll send the steps for that. Anyone else using Windows and facing issue with the download?
The download is done. It's installing right now.
Okay, very good. So by the time it installs, I want you to install one more software, people. So just search SSMS download, SSMS download. Okay. And click on the first link, download SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, I'll paste this link also on the chat. Okay. Now, on this page, scroll down. On this page, scroll down and click on this link, download SQL Server Management Studio 20.2. 20.2. So click on this link. Okay, so it will install this .exe file, save it, and wait for a few seconds to download this. So this is for people who are using MacBook. You have to install Docker Desktop on Mac. I'll post this link on the chat. Okay.
Do we proceed with installing SSMS or we wait for the database to get installed first?
No, so you can do it parallelly. Okay, so let the SQL Server install in the backend. Meanwhile, you can start installing SSMS. Okay. Okay, so once you install Docker Desktop on Mac, so there is a command that I'm going to type. Just type this command. Okay, I'll just type it here. Okay, so once you have installed the Docker Desktop on Mac, you have to open the terminal and run this command. Okay, and run this command, docker pull mcr.microsoft. So this is for people who are using MacBook. Okay.
Oh, so how do I run that command?
So after you have installed Docker, right, you have to open the terminal. So have you installed Docker?
I installed, but then it says it cannot. I'm trying to open it. It's not opening.
Okay. Okay. No worries. I'll attach a video on the WhatsApp group for installation of SQL Server on MacBook. The process is a bit lengthy. Okay. The process is a bit lengthy, but I'll share the video. Okay. Video link on the WhatsApp group. Okay. For others, have you installed SSMS and SQL both?
I reached the point in the SQL Server 2022 where the installation is completed and it's now requesting an instance name SQL Express.
Okay. Can you share the screen?
Just give me a second.
Yes.
Okay. I have reached this point.
1 second.
Can you see my screen?
Okay. Yes. Yes. So, did you start installing SSMS in the backend?
It's already installing here, and this one setup is completed.
Okay. Very good. So close it. Close it and close this as well. Close this dialog box.
I close it. Huh?
Yes. And on your taskbar, yes.
Now, but
Exit.
this one is requesting you want to exit.
No, not an issue. Yes. So on your taskbar, search for SSMS. Search for SSMS. Okay. So app, the second one, app. Yes. Yeah. Open it.
Oh,
Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Click on connect. Click on connect. Okay. What is it telling you? Can't connect. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. So there is an option called Trust Server Certificate. Right? Below. Just come down a bit. Yeah, Trust Server Certificate. Just below that.
Trust. Okay.
Yeah. Try to connect it now. Okay. Okay. Good. So you are good with the installation.
Okay.
Okay. What about Hamad and Farooq?
so for me, they told me that my desktop hardware is something like that. It's not compatible with Docker.
Okay. So are you using M1, M2, M3? Which version of MacBook?
I think M1.
Sorry.
M1 or M2. I don't know. I don't know the type. But it's MacBook Air.
Okay. MacBook Air, right? MacBook.
Yes.
Okay, so today what you can do, so can you run after the class, you can just try, can you run parallels? Can you run just parallel desktop on MacBook? So where we can run, the Windows and the Mac simultaneously. After the class, you can just try to run parallel on your Windows because on most of the tools that we are going to study, right, will be Windows compatible, but we can still run it on parallels, okay?
Yeah, I've never run like a window on a MacBook, so I don't know how to
Not an
do
issue.
that.
I'll share you the relevant links. Okay, I'll share you the relevant links, which will help. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. What about others? Farooq and Hamad, are you good with the installation?
Yes, sir. This SSM has stopped because the other
Okay, you
and
can share your screen.
this
So
X.
Please share your screen so that
It,
at least today we are good with the installation.
okay, sir.
So when you launch SSMS after it has been downloaded, it is going to give you this as the start screen. Okay. So on this start screen, there are two options that you should be careful about. First is the server name. You have to check whether SQL is able to identify the server name or not. The second thing that you should do is check mark this box, which is trust service certificate. These options should be enabled, and then only you should go to the third step, which is connect. Okay, so let me know if you are able to see the server name when you launch SSMS or not.
Actually, this call I have connected on my mobile and not on my laptop. So I can show you the video, what is going on with my laptop or no? Is it okay
Sure.
or no?
Yeah, it's okay. You can.
Can you see?
Yes, if you can just tilt your phone to make it portrait. Yes. Okay, so you have come to this state. So have you installed SSMS? Not yet.
Um, it was stopped actually, sir.
Okay, so start it. So what is the issue? Did you get any error
Because
message?
this is actually setup is blocked due to another install currently running. Please
Okay,
let the
no
other
worries.
install
Close
complete.
this.
Yeah.
Close this. Close this. Okay, and on the same window, you can see there is an option called Install SSMS. Click on that. Yes, click on this. It will redirect you to the same page of Microsoft. Scroll down and see there should be an option of download. Yeah, correct. Can you see download SSMS 20.2?
Yes, sir. It
Click
was
on that.
already downloaded here.
Okay, it was
Um,
already downloaded. That click on that .exe file.
uh, uh, and install, right?
Yes, install.
Yes.
Yes. So let this install.
What about this, sir?
This you can close it. This you can close it. This is done. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Let the
So I need to.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Let the SMS download. Once it is downloaded, then we can see it again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyone else facing issue with the installation? Okay. So let me give you a small history about this language. Okay. Yeah, Farooq, any issue with the installation?
Actually, I have a call from my office, so I'm doing the call, so I'm not able to do right now. Sorry for that. I'm finishing one call with my work. Okay,
Uh,
sorry for that.
okay. Not an issue, not an issue. So once the call is over, so just try to install it. Okay, so that We don't have the same issue tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we should be good with the coding part. At least we should start creating databases and tables if we are good with the installation today.
This
Fine.
will be the version. What version will be SQL version get started on Azure or at Edge?
Okay. Okay. So I'll show you. I'll just show you. Okay. So when you go to the SQL Server download, right, you get this window. Scroll down a bit. So Azure is basically the cloud part. Scroll down and you should be see two editions, right? Developer and Express. So we are working with Express edition. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Click on the Express edition now. Download now.
So I was able to download the Docker.
Okay. Okay. So can you just run the terminal on Docker?
How do I do that?
Okay. So search for the terminal in Docker.
I search for terminal.
Okay.
Can I share my screen and then you guide me?
Sure. Yes, please. Let me see.
So this is the Docker. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see. I can see now.
Hmm.
Press Command and Spacebar. Press Command and Spacebar
Command and space.
and search
Okay.
here for terminal. Search here for terminal.
Okay.
Open the terminal.
Yeah.
Where is it?
You can't see it now.
No,
Terminal
terminal.
is where I can find all of my downloaded things.
No. Terminal is an inbuilt application on your local machine. So you have just opened it, right? Check your taskbar. You should be having terminal open somewhere. Check your taskbar at the bottom. At the bottom.
Yes. Can you
Scroll
see
to.
my list of downloaded things?
Yes, I can see downloaded, but terminal will be somewhere on your space taskbar. Just check your taskbar. Yes, go right. Go right.
So I have
Right.
find
Towards your right.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
here, yeah.
Open the terminal.
Okay.
And I have sent that command, right? So you should see that command on the chat. Just copy it from the chat.
Docker pull that one?
Yes, this one.
Okay. So where do I put it?
Copy it on the terminal on a new line.
Uh-oh.
Okay. So did you execute that? So
Okay.
just wait for a few seconds, it is downloading.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances and curriculum creators are Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with bringing a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.